Hey guys, welcome back to Moneo Pura. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Monica. I am the owner of Moneo Pura. I run this business with my husband from our flat in London. Today's video is actually a subscriber's request. A subscriber left a video on some of my salt scrub and my sugar scrub video that I made last month, and she was like, can you make a foot scrub? And I was like, yes, I can. I haven't made a foot scrub on this channel at all. I used to sell salt soak long time ago, foot soak with Himalayan salt, sea salt, magnesium salt, etc. So I just thought, okay, I can make a emulsifying Himalayan salt foot scrub, and I had to write the recipe for it because I've never written a recipe for this before. So yes, here we are. So I'm gonna make that at some point this month. So let me show you guys how I came up with the formula. So we're writing a formula for an emulsified Himalayan salt foot scrub. It's a long title. It's actually first called a premium Himalayan salt, but that's too long. So we're gonna start off with our ingredients, and then we're gonna go into the percentage, and then we're gonna transfer that percentage to the grams I'm going to be making. So first ingredient, we need fine sugar scrub or granulated sugar. It's fine. So fine sugar, and then we're going to use definitely fine Himalayan salt, and then we have sweet almond oil. I might use a different oil, but at the moment let's use sweet almond oil. It doesn't really matter which oil, as long as it's a light carrier oil. I have emulsifying wax. I'm going to use citric acid for structure. Usually I use cetyl alcohol because of the moisturizing and emollient qualities, but I'm going to swap it for citric acid because I have this at home and I want this to be slightly firmer. And then we have shea butter, our preservative, because this is going to come in contact with water. We need preservative, our fragrance, and our vitamin E oil to preserve or to help with our oil, stop it from getting rancid too quickly. Always best to use vitamin E oil, especially when you're using oils and butters, especially when you're using them in combination as well. So vitamin E oil, we're going to use it at 0.6%. Our fragrance, we're going to use at 2%, because I want this to smell real strong. If you want it stronger, increase the percentage and then take that percentage away from, I want to say, the oil. Preservative, the recommended usage range by my manufacturer is 1%, so I'm using at 1%. Shea butter, we're using at 7%. Citric acid, we're using at 5%. Emulsifying wax at 8%. Sweet almond oil, we're using at 20%. Himalayan fine salt, 15%. And then our sugar is 41.4%. So now you need to total all of these numbers and make sure it totals up to 100%. I've added this off camera and it definitely totals 100%. So this is our formula in percent, okay? So now we're going to transfer this to grams, and we are making a 50 grams batch of this. Okay, Okay, so we're making a 50 grams batch of this. How do I do this? 41.4 divide by 100, and I'm going to times that by 50. That will give me my recipe. So let's do that for everything first. So 15 divided by 100 times 50. 20 divided by 100 times 50. 8 divided by 100 times 50. 5 divided by 100 times 50. 7 divided by 100 times 50. 1 divided by 100 times 50. 2 divided by 100 times 50. And 0.6 divided by 100. And times that by 50, and that will give you your recipe in 50 grams batch. So what is the answer? It's 20. So for sugar we need 20.7 grams. Our Himalayan fine salt we need 7.5 grams. Our sweet almond oil we need 10 grams. Emulsifying wax we need 4 grams. Citric acid 2.5 grams. Shea butter 3.5 grams. Preservative 0.5 grams. Fragrance 1 gram. And vitamin E is 0.3 grams. And then you need to add all of this together and make sure it totals up to 50 grams. I've done this off camera. Definitely totals up to 50 grams. So this is how you write a formula for your recipe. I hope this video helped. I am going to be making this foot scrub at some point on this channel, so make sure you guys are subscribed if you haven't already. Smash the notification bell so you're notified when more videos are uploaded. Follow us on all our socials. Shop our website moneyopura.com. We sell many scrubs on our website. And thank you so much for making it this far. Like the video, comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.